Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a part of my backyard. It's still February, so pretty cold. So in my channel you will probably see some gold panning, you will see some gold digging or scrapping. Also today we're gonna do some melting. So there are a few things I'm doing, and hopefully I'm just gonna set up my camera, and there we go. So use gloves, you have to do it, and also use protection. Use some protection, and when you start melting it's going really fast actually, so you can just put my stuff in here. Do it slowly, do not drop it, because you're gonna have an explosion. And also make sure it's not wet, then you're gonna have a really big explosion as well. Soon you get it warm, it's gonna go really fast. So this is my new mold, this is my old one, for about 900 grams of gold. And the other one over there is it's the same amount, but I like the shape better of this one and the other one. So just gonna put in the wires. I have one pile over there, I just have this left, and they're over 700 grams each. I don't remember exactly how much, but I think it is about 720, 710, something around there. Have the water prepared, and also have a big bucket of borax that I'm gonna put in. And the oven are about 1140 Celsius. When I'm using this one, when I put it in, so I can squeeze it slowly in. And don't look just over it, have eyes a little bit side of it. If you get an explosion, that's why you see all the dots over here, because I get wet copper once and I put it in and get an explosion. I have like 4 million balls all over the place. I do have a little extra torch that I can extra preheat my mold before I pour it. It's going really fast. Soon the material is start to you can just start feeding it. This one is only 1 kilo oven. There are 2 and 3 kilos. It's called the Gold Burn, and I bought it from Expondo. I think it's from Germany. They have lots of things. They have cable cutters, they have ultraviolet baths and stuff. More industrial stuff. soon done with the first batch. Only 2 left. And I'm gonna let it be there for a few seconds, and I'm gonna put out some borage and get this a lot warmer. Otherwise it's gonna be really hot when I do the first batch, and then I'm gonna continue the next one. That was a bad idea. Nope. One left. Beater. Preheat the copper as well. I did use this graphite mixer, but I can recommend don't use this when I have the melting oven. Completely useless, just bullshit. So, but I have it anyway, just in the top if I have using some other stuff. It's only broken once. I don't want to break it again. Okay, I'm gonna prepare for the next batch. No. I have to be there for a while to continue melting. It's still a little bit cold in there. It's about 5 to 6 degrees Celsius outside. I don't know the Fahrenheit, but yeah, you can figure it out. So yeah. But like 20 seconds ago I watched it was not done, but now it's already melted. So now I can put the last one in this batch in here. Be there. Take this away and put this up. Preparing for borax. Okay, I think it's ready. I'm gonna add some borax. I'm gonna let it boil there for a little bit moment. Okay, now we do the first one. Put it back in. Start. Gonna be there. Let it feed there for a second. That's the first one. like a sauna. Now I can use this a little bit to try to squeeze a little bit. No, I couldn't. So put this on the side. I know it's too much, but oh, okay. I see the problem. Bring it right back. Well, the power went down, so now I started again. I don't know why it went. I don't have anything on it. Well, I dropped pretty much fast the power, so I have to just take this out and let it go a little bit up. That's the borax part. Don't have to use this one. Can be in the water. But I still don't get why the power went off. Now this one is already hot, so I don't have to do anything about it. It's heavy. I'm gonna bring up my scale soon I get the heat up. I'm gonna bring my scale. Yep, you can see it. So let's put it on gram, and this one is 675 gram. $23.75 oz. 674 gram. Okay, I think the oven is back up again. Start to get heating up on my material. Oh, this is gonna take a while, so keep scrapping, have fun, follow me on the YouTube, and you have some links down the description of my Instagram, Patreon, and other friends doing scrapping. My name is Johnny, I'm not from Sweden. Thank you for watching. Big thumb and share my video. Have fun.